Time to know the top stories of the day. I am Mace Perez and this is Newsbits Tonight. President Rodrigo Duterte has ordered temporary travel ban from all Chinese nationals from Hubei, China and other areas in China where the novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV has spread. For the details, here's Rolf Yemit.
President Rodrigo Duterte's travel ban announcement came a day after the Department of Health confirmed Philippines' first case of the deadly 2019 nCoV. The country's confirmed case is a 38-year-old female from Wuhan, China, who arrived in Cebu, Philippines via Hong Kong last January 21 and have traveled to Dumaguete before flying to Manila on January 25. The patient is presently confined at San Lazaro Hospital. Health Secretary Francisco Duque III said the patient is being treated and assures the public that all necessary precautionary measures are being taken to prevent the spread of the virus.
Finally, I urge the public to stay calm and remain vigilant at all times. Let us continue to practice good personal hygiene and indeed adopt healthy lifestyle.
Tuloy pa rin ang screening namin sa mga arriving passenger from Hong Kong. May binibigay na rin po kaming health declaration checklist which is nakasulat doon ang details ng pasahero, pangalan niya, address niya, at saka kung saan siyang bansa nanggaling at kung ano po mga simptomas ang kanyang naramdaman during the flight.
DOH said there are now 56 people under observation for suspected novel coronavirus as of Friday morning. With the global spread of the virus, the World Health Organization declared state of global emergency. The UN Health Agency defines an international emergency as an extraordinary event that constitutes a risk to other countries and requires a coordinated international response. Meanwhile, Davao City remains free from the 2019 nCoV cases, although the City Health Office is monitoring 8 individuals who recently arrived in the city. Mayor Sara Duterte Carpio on Thursday night assured the public that the city government has been closely coordinating with the Department of Health and other national government agencies on what measures to take to prevent and control the spread of the virus. To date, China has reported more than 7,800 cases, including 170 deaths. Rolf Yemit, Newsbits Tonight.
The Federal Bureau of Investigation raided the Kingdom of Jesus Christ Church in Los Angeles on Wednesday in a human trafficking probe, but the camp of Pastor Apollo Quiboloy denied allegations. For the details, here's Jenny Arado.
A Philippine religious group denied allegations by American law enforcement agents that it was involved in a scheme to trick followers into becoming fundraisers and arrange sham marriages to keep them in the U.S. A spokesman for Apollo Quiboloy, the church founder and leader, said former members who had been disciplined for wrongdoing retaliated by breaking off from his church and fabricating information they fed to the FBI in a grand conspiracy of lies. Lawyer Israelito Torreon said in a statement, the former members' aim is to exact revenge to put Quiboloy and the church as a whole into a quagmire of shame. The church leader ordered an internal audit last year that prompted a trusted officer and other members to leave the group and struck an alliance with forces jealous of Quiboloy's rise, Torreon said without elaborating. Workers who managed to escape from the church told the FBI they had been sent across the U.S. soliciting donations for the church's charity and were beaten and psychologically abused if they didn't make quotas, according to an affidavit filed in support of the charges. The immigrants essentially became full-time workers, sometimes referred to as miracle workers, in a crusade to raise money for the nonprofit Children's Joy Foundation USA, which was supposed to benefit poor children in their homeland. But the complaint said most of the money raised was used to finance church operations and the lavish lifestyle of Quiboloy. The church claims a membership of at least 6 million people and backed the 2016 candidacy of President Rodrigo Duterte, a close friend of Quiboloy. Duterte appeared in the group's radio and TV program in Davao when he was mayor of Davao City. Jenny Arado, Newsbits Tonight.
To check more stories, visit our website www.cbn.com. sunstar.com.ph/Davao, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also grab a copy of Sunstar Davao at Davao Central convenience stores, 7-Eleven, and nearest news outlets. That's all you need to know for tonight. Have a great weekend.